Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on 0 Point Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in blink.mortgage/app/login/partner/05EPJUJ5. Make sure to enter the last string of characters in uppercase and you will be taken into the login portal after you press enter. Now here you will be allowed to enter your email address and your password. Just type in the email address that you have set up while creating your account within the email box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your 0 Point Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on forgot password and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on 0 Point Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.